Hello, thank you for watching this video. In this video, I will teach you how to print your ebooks in your Kindle account. Because one of my friend asking for help to research his book because we cannot find or he cannot find the physical book in our bookstores here in our area. So only to find out after doing some research, only to find out that his book is available only in Kindle edition. The process is just very simple. This is 100% free, and all you have to do is to sign in your Kindle account in your computer. So you need to download the Kindle for PC. So it's in the description below. Just download it, and I recommend the version 1.17. There's a latest version to this Kindle, but in this tutorial I highly recommend to use the lower version, the older one, the 1.17, the Kindle for PC. And after that, just sign up. If you don't have any account, or if you have one, just sign in for your ebooks to be loaded. Okay, and after that, be sure to download if it's not downloaded yet, that your ebook will be reflected here in the downloaded area, because it will not appear if your ebooks is still here in the library in the all tab. It will not reflect in the program or the converter that we are going to use in this tutorial. So let's say, for example, here I have downloaded already two ebooks, and we use the program here, the ebook converter bundle. Download it. It's in the description in this video. So you can use the demo version. I have 8 left to convert because I am using only a demonstration version of this converter. If you want to buy it, do your own risk, but in this tutorial I am using the trial version of the ebook. Okay, so just click continue, and again let's go back to the Kindle. Be sure it is already downloaded here so that it can appear here in the converter. Just click the Kindle part. Here we are. Okay, so this is the books, the ebooks I mean, that I have in the downloaded area in my Kindle account. Okay, so after that, just select and choose the format. Select this one and then choose the output format. I will highly recommend in this tutorial that you have to convert this into text, because in PDF you cannot modify more when you are in the PDF version. So since we are using the ebook converter bundle for a demonstration version, after converting this, there would be a watermarks of the ebook converter bundle. So that's why in this tutorial I will highly recommend to choose the text format for you to modify the text of your ebooks or to remove the watermarks. So let's try to convert this one. Try to convert, and it's working. So as you can see here, it's working. Alright, so while waiting for the process to be done, let's have a short review. First, you have to download the Kindle for PC. It's in the description of this video. Download it and sign in if you have already an account. If you don't have an account, just sign up. Before, if I'm not mistaken, the Kindle is the product of Amazon, if I'm not mistaken. So you have to create an account with Amazon. Once you have an account, just go to Kindle store if you want to buy books in the Kindle store. As far as I observed, the ebooks here in the Kindle version is very low price. It's cheaper, so it is good to buy books here in the Kindle, as what I've observed. All right, so the one is already done and it's still working for the next. It's very simple, and this is 100% free. Yes, it is 100% free, and you can print your ebooks. Okay, so to file converted, and once you click here, it will go to the folder or the output folder, or you can close this one and open the output folder. So just click OK and continue, and this will open the ebook here. Alright, and this is the text version. You can open this one. As I've said, we are using the free version of the ebook converter, so the output, there's a watermark. So let's try if there's a watermarks at the end of the page. So here we are, now have the full control of your ebooks. And after this, okay, so there's no watermarks here, so it's you're good to go. So nothing to edit here, there's no watermarks. So the watermarks will appear only if you choose the PDF. If you choose to convert the PDF file, there will be watermarks of the ebook converter. But once you choose the text format, there is no watermarks already, as you can see here. So when you want to print this one, or where word processing you are comfortable, or you can choose the word processing tool to print this one. Let's try this one. So if you want to transfer here, so you're good to go. Just transfer here and do another word processing, and you can edit the spacing here. It's all up to you. Alright, now it's very easy and simple how to print your Kindle ebooks, and 100% free. So I hope this helped. It's my pleasure if you share this video for the other can benefit this one. If you're using Kindle and you want to have a hard copy of your Kindles, just use this video. It's very simple. Before I end this video, let me have a short summary to this. Alright, so you have to download the programs you need in the description. You can find in the description, you just need two programs, the Kindle for PC 1.17 version and the ebook converter bundle. You can use the free edition of this book. Alright, if you want to buy, it's all your choice. But in this tutorial, I am using the demo version. Again, if you don't have an account in Kindle, and it is your first time, if you are looking for your books, and once you find your books available only in Kindle, so go install the Kindle app in your computer, the PC version, and have an account, register it, and go buy your Kindle ebooks. And once you have already in your library, download it, and be sure it will be reflected here in the download. Just double click the ebooks just to be downloaded here, and once it's downloaded, use this one, the ebook converter. It's in the description below. and just click the Kindle just to reflect the ebook, and just choose the text. I highly advise to choose the text version and convert. Once it's done, you can have the full control of your ebook. Alright, thank you for watching this video. I hope this helped. It's my pleasure if you subscribe and share this video. Have a great day. God bless you and your family.